Journalist Arshad Sharif shot dead in Kenya, wife confirms. Senior journalist and anchorperson Arshad Sharif was shot dead in Kenya's capital Nairobi. Initially, it was reported that Sharif had died in an accident, but later, his wife Javereia Siddiqui confirmed that the journalist had been shot dead in Kenya. Taking to Twitter, Siddiqui said Kenya's police told her that Sharif was shot dead in Nairobi, while further investigation is underway. Sharif's wife also urged people not to share their family pictures, personal details, or Sharif's last pictures from the hospital on social media. Sharif was previously associated with A.R.Y. News and had gone to Dubai after resigning from the channel. Before going to Kenya, he was spotted in London a few days back after arriving from Dubai. In contact with Kenyan authorities, FM Bilawal. Meanwhile, Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari expressed sorrow over the death of the journalist and said that the Pakistani government is in contact with Kenyan authorities regarding the matter. The unbelievable incident of journalist Arshad Sharif's murder is extremely shocking and an irreparable loss to the journalist community of Pakistan. I offer my condolences to journalist Arshad Sharif's family, journalist community and his fans, said the foreign minister. IHC issues notice to Interior and Foreign Ministries. Earlier today, a petition was filed in the Islamabad High Court, IHC, asking the court to form a panel to ascertain facts related to Sharif's death. Petitioner Barrister Shoaib Razak sought the formation of a commission to determine under which circumstances Sharif had fled the country. He also urged the court to issue orders to bring the body of the journalist back to Pakistan. During the hearing, IHC Chief Justice Attar Minalla asked the petitioner where the body of the journalist was currently. At this, the judge was told by the lawyer that it was in Nairobi, Kenya. Following this, the judge issued notices to the Interior and Foreign Secretaries. He also ordered officials from both ministries to meet the journalist's family and submit a report by tomorrow. Politicians, journalists condole. Following the news of Sharif's death, condolences started pouring in from across the country. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif expressed sadness over the shocking news of journalist Arshad Sharif's tragic death and quote, "May Allah SWT grant him a place in heaven. My deep condolences and prayers for the bereaved family," he said.